Average is 6 buses and the time interval is an hour. So now let's take a look at the first question. For question A, at least 2 buses stop at the petrol station in a particular 1 hour interval. As we can see here, the time interval is the same as before, so we do not need to change the mean. We can represent the mean with lambda symbol. So lambda is equal to 6. The question asks to find at least 2 buses, meaning that it must be larger than or equal to 2. It must be from 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. But instead of adding from 2 until 6, we can use the shortest way, which is 1, the total probability, minus the probabilities that are less than 2, which is 0 and 1. And then we need to use Poisson formula, which is lambda to the power of x multiplied by exponential to the power of negative lambda divided by x factorial. You just need to insert the number and you will get 0.9826 for the last answer. For question B, it is similar like before, only the probability asked is different, which is anywhere from 3 to 5 inclusive, meaning that 3 and 5 are included too. So we can write it as probability 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5 is equal to probability when x is 3 plus 4 plus 5. And then you can use the formula to solve this and you will get 0.3837 for the last answer. For the last question, at most 3 buses stop at the petrol station in an interval of 20 minutes. As we can see here, the time is different, so we need to get a new mean. If the average of 6 buses stop in 1 hour, so what about in 20 minutes? So in order to find out how many buses stop, we need to divide 20 by 60 minutes and we will get 1 over 3. So we need to multiply 6 by 1 over 3 and then we will get 2, which is the new mean. The question asks at most 3 buses, meaning that it must be less than or equal to 3. So the probability when x is 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. And then we just need to use formula like before, insert the number in the formula and you will get 0.8571 for the last answer. Now let's have Umairah to explain the last question.